Hi, my name is Mike Zuckerman, and I'm going to overview our Advantage Partner Program. Queplix is a data integration and data management company. We're leveraged by a special technology platform that gives us the ability to fulfill data integration for our customers in ways that no other company can do today. Our customers need strong partnerships to help us bridge the diverse set of applications that exist across the customer landscape. Whether small, medium business, or large enterprise or global enterprise, partners are an essential part of our strategy and go-to-market. Our platforms are unified. We are the only vendor today that provides a unified delivery platform across all of the capability we sell. Whether the customer deploys in the cloud or they deploy on-premise, it's exactly the same code base, exactly the same interfaces, and exactly the same automated infrastructure to make it go. No other vendor can do this today, and this provides strong benefits for our partners in being competitive and meeting their needs across a diverse landscape. The Advantage program has several key components. The lead program components include OEM for original equipment manufacturer, VAR for value-added reseller, and SIPS, which is systems integrator and professional services, sort of a two-pronged program component. We have a supporting program component we won't cover extensively called Tech, which really integrates the tech partners that we have and use to deploy our own products. OEM program partners allow design-in for success. It gives an OEM deep and rapid reach to immediately enable their applications to automated broad-scale integration across 50 key enterprise apps, whether small business, medium business, whether B2B like EDI. You've immediately extended your reach into different applications, which will raise your value prop and let you get to market sooner. The lower cost for our product over any time period is easy to justify. We are going to be less expensive for you than doing this build out yourself, and we've priced our OEM program to ensure that that's the case. You're going to save money with us, you're going to get to market more quickly, and you're going to reduce your risk. OEMs usually private label technology and maintain direct support for their product around the world. In order to be an OEM, you're looking at high volumes with us, significant prepay, and a royalty stream. If you're selling 10 or 20 instances of data integration, you're not an OEM. OEMs generally work on the order of 100 licenses or more in a year at minimum. VARs, value-added resellers, are the mainstay and backbone of our customer enablement. Most of our VARs are riding a complementary wave for cloud application integration. They are disrupting the legacy world by bringing forward cloud integration products such as enabled by Salesforce or NetSuite and many, many other vendors. And each of these new cloud deployments, probably half of them require data integration. And so this is a very complementary activity for these existing VARs to have a data integration strategy. Our program is different. We don't want to hold your paper. You can control the paper, control the contract, and most important, maintain account control. Some of the big guys, especially the recently acquired companies, when they get inside your deals, want to qualify those deals, want to exert their own account control, and even want to introduce competing products. We'll never do that to you. Our margins are very attractive. We take the risk off the table because we have superior technology. This is not 20-year-old ETL technology in a one-year-old cloud. This is advanced data virtualization, and we're going to do the job for you much, much better. We will enable you internationally, and we can talk about the different support options. It may be more appropriate for you to take first call, or it may be more appropriate for us, but all of that is subject to being worked out across the customer landscape that we both must support. We believe that this is very complementary to our end user efforts. We call this direct touch, indirect fulfillment, where we assist our VARs in working with customers, but we let the fulfillment model go indirect because we think that's of benefit to the customer in any term where they have complex and diverse application needs. SIPs program partners are systems integrator professional services. This is a two-pronged program. Systems integrators will receive special quotations at varying discount levels to address key programs. These may include intelligence agencies, DoD, civilian, GSA Schedule, which is a limited program, NATO and related agencies, and state and local government. Once again, complementary model, direct touch, indirect fulfillment. We like to be involved in your sales cycle, but we like to see you fulfill it and gain the benefits and growth for the margin in your business. Professional services partners may not deliver technology, but will support that delivery by providing a high standard of professional services where required for broad-scale customer deployment. Some of the very large customers need a lot of integration, and together we'll make very high margins, yet substantially reduce our customers' costs by 60, 70, 80, or 90% in delivering data integration using our technology. It's the best of all worlds. Everybody benefits, our customers and us. And PS partners also get the benefit of access to our technology, so it's a win-win. Demonstration and development access and certification for our growing ecosystem. Advantage program benefits that are special really include the ability for OEMs to negotiate a very attractive deal. You're going to want to step up to some significant prepay, but we're going to give you a very low royalty stream and enable you to be highly competitive without much in the way of additional cost to your current programs. We will always be less expensive than doing the build out yourself, and the more potential applications you need to connect to, the far greater the return on investment will be. Whether it's connecting to one app or connecting to 30, we're going to be the lowest cost and fastest way to get to market. For value-added resellers, we offer the benefit of referral programs depending on the market, industry, and geography, registration, the notion of special incentive to register and forecast a deal early, and our Blade Share program, which allows you to also do build-out and then benefit by being able to offer it to our entire Advantage program partner ecosystem. Blade Share enables you to put your interfaces out there and then gain and share in the economic reward. Similarly, for SIPS partners, Blade Share is also available, as are the referral programs. So there's a lot of special benefits for our Advantage program partners. In terms of how we really stack up to the other choices you have, it's very simple. No other vendor provides a unified architecture between cloud and on-premise. Most don't provide integrated data quality, which we do. There are vendors that will point to products and say, well, this product line I have kind of sort of has, a unified architecture. It's just not the case. Everything we sell is part of a unified architecture. The major data integration companies are not remotely close to being able to do that, and customers immediately understand the benefits of this. Our object-oriented view works with every data type, relational, object, XML, API, no SQL. All the other vendors have things they don't do or cobbled on interfaces, and the fundamental reason is the third line item, which is we have a persistent metadata server at our core, advanced data virtualization, and everybody else is putting ETL in a box or ETL under a GUI. It's 20-year-old technology. Some of them say, let's build a new pipe. That's exactly the wrong architecture for data integration. A hub and spoke server is the way to go. Integrate, virtualize once and integrate many, and it's a powerful capability, and it leverages you as a partner many times over. And finally, the fact that this is business user ready. You can sit down and implement with a business user, and other than getting permissions from IT, you don't need to set triggers in different databases. There's no programming here, no SQL, and there's no ETL under the covers. It's a very simple and high-level system for a business user, and that's a powerful advantage for you in your go-to-market. Analysts certainly understand that ETL is at the end of its days. ETL has been a boondoggle for big companies that sell professional services, and most of them sell that against you, our VARs and partners. 85% of their revenue model is installing 20-year-old technology. What a great deal for them. But we're going to change that. The analysts know that integration by ETL creates data quality problems and delays information delivery. Advanced data virtualization with our growing VAR and partner network is the way to go, and we'll both share in that success as we change the face of data integration. So, You can ride the cloud enablement wave as the cloud vendors come in and start to displace legacy technology. Data integration is a core part of that, and we give you a flexible way to both satisfy your existing commitments, perhaps to cloud vendors for which you are already a VAR, and ride the $5 billion market wave to replace ETL technology. Strong cost benefit, automation, no programming, lower time to implement, lower risk, unified architecture, and the server is the solution, the persistent metadata server, the technology underneath that enables this automated hub and spoke is very different and very powerful and is a game-changing architecture. So you'll have higher margins, yet lower cost to our mutual customers over legacy ETL. Everybody wins. Thank you for spending time with me, learning a little bit more about our Advantage Partner Program. Give us a call, email us at sales@queplix.com or marketing@queplix.com, and we'll be glad to share more about the program with you. Thank you, and have a great day.